Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix forgotten password in Perfect Money. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go to perfectmoney.com, and from here just simply go ahead and click on login over here at their home page. So click on login, and after that you should be able to see here the password. So from here you should be able to have an option over here, a password. So this is a hyperlink, so click on that and it will redirect you over here. So now from here, just make sure the subject is restore password. So now from here, just simply provide your member ID and your current account email. So this is very important. And now just simply go ahead and provide the zip postal code that you just provided and provide your comment over here. And down below, just simply provide a phone number. Also provide the touring number as well and click on next step. And from there, guys, just simply provide the PIN that will be provided into your phone number. And after that, just simply click on next step. And from there, guys, you should be able to set a new password and just simply confirm it as well and provide the touring number as well. And from there, just simply click on apply changes. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.